Hello everybody, today we make a mint pesto with a penne. Okay, now this is my garden. We got a parsley. I pick up the parsley right over here like this. I got the season the color. Oh, look how beautiful. And look at the basil I got over here. Look how big basil. Now we pick up the mint. I got a mint over here, so many mint too. Look at my tomato, oh, look how beautiful. It's all my tomato over here. And this is the mint, look at that. And you cut the mint, and you know, look at that. Look how beautiful. Okay, now I go to my nephew. I hope he's not home. I want to steal for him. It's okay, he's okay. Look how beautiful he got over here. This he grow every single year. He grow this. It never die. Okay, and we got everything. Now we use the blender for the pesto, and we start with the oil. I pour oil right over here. This is extra virgin olive oil, pistachio, garlic, flake hot pepper. Oh yeah, baby. We got a parsley, mint, and we got chives, and let's put it right inside over here too. Okay, I push it down a little bit of this, and now we need the cover. I don't want everything going to seal. Boom! All right, now we start down low. Now we cook the pasta. The water boil, I salt already, and now this pasta, you need to cook for 11 minutes. Okay, now the pasta is done. We turn the gas off, and we pick it up like, it's okay, she got a little water, because we need a little water when I put the pesto inside. Oh, look at this pan, it's so delicious. Okay, now it's time to put the pesto, fresh pesto. And we mix everything together. Look at this. Okay, now, you know what I gotta do? I gotta use a little pasta water to put inside, and we mix all together. Okay, now we put this pasta water. And we put everything. Okay. Oh, you see now? Okay, now we mix really, really good. Oh, look at the beautiful color. We need the cheese. Oh, you need the nice cheese, is so good to this. Okay, and now we mix it over again. Oh, smells so good. See what? Not everybody can make this. Everything is for the garden. Look at that. Okay, now I want to taste. Oh, look how beautiful. And make sure, Pasquale, need more cheese. It's no easy to be cheese. E pistachio. Right on the top. Okay, now. When you eat this, look like you eat the garden. All fresh. Salud, chin chin. A beautiful day, chin chin. Oh, really, really good. Oh.